In this video, I'll show you how to install Node.js on Ubuntu 22.04 using 4 different methods, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Before we start installing Node.js, let's cover what you'll need. You should have Ubuntu 22.04 or later running on your system, along with a non-root user account that has sudo privileges. If you haven't set this up yet, check out the Ubuntu initial server setup guide first. Also make sure you have an active internet connection since we'll be downloading packages. First, let's look at the easiest method using Ubuntu's default repositories. We'll update our package index by running sudo apt update. Then we'll install Node.js with sudo apt install nodejs. This gives you a stable version that's perfect for getting started. After installation, verify it worked by checking the version with node.v. You'll also want to install npm, the package manager, using sudo apt install npm. Next, if you need a specific or newer version of Node.js, the NodeSource PPA is your best bet. First, download the setup script using curl with the NodeSource URL. Just replace the version number with what you need. It's good practice to inspect the script first, with nano before running it. Then execute it with sudo bash and the script name. Finally, install Node.js with sudo apt install nodejs. This method gives you access to the latest versions. Now, for developers who need to switch between Node versions frequently, NVM is perfect. Install it by running the curl command from the NVM GitHub page. After installation, reload your bash profile with source bash rc. You can see available versions with NVM list remote, install specific versions with NVM install, and switch between them using NVM use. You can even set a default version with NVM alias default. For advanced users who need custom builds or specific optimizations, you can compile from source. Start by installing build dependencies with sudo apt install build essential python 3 g++, make pkg config. Download the source code tarball from the official node.js site. Extract it, then configure and compile it. This method takes longer but gives you complete control over the installation. Finally, if you ever need to uninstall Node.js, the process depends on how you installed it. For apt installations, use sudo apt remove nodejs npm. For NodeSource installations, you might need to remove the PPA as well. For NVM, you can uninstall specific versions with nvm uninstall, or remove NVM entirely by deleting the .nvm directory and cleaning your bash profile. And that's it. You now know 4 different ways to install Node.js on Ubuntu. Choose the method that works best for your specific needs. The default repositories for simplicity, NodeSource for specific versions, NVM for version management, or source compilation for complete control. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorials.